अस्सलाम वालेकुम एवरीवन, वेलकम टू स्पॉटलाइट विद महविश खान। कैसे हैं आप लोग? कैसा जा रहा है आप लोगों का जनवरी 2020? जो हमने अपने रेजोल्यूशंस बनाए थे कि हम ये करेंगे, हम वो करेंगे, और होपफुली आप लोग अपने रेजोल्यूशंस को नहीं भूले होंगे और अपने गोल्स को आपने अपने माइंड में रखा हुआ होगा। टाइम जो है वो काफ़ी तेज़ी से गुजर रहा है, जनवरी भी ऑलमोस्ट एंड पे आने वाला है, तो लेकिन स्टे फोकस, जो भी आपका गोल है उस पर आप डेफिनेटली ध्यान दीजिए। और आज का जो हमारा प्रोग्राम है, आज के जो हमारे गेस्ट हैं, ही इज़ अ कोरियोग्राफर, ही इज़ एन एक्टर, ही इज़ अ मॉडल, और बीसी से जो है वो यहाँ टोरंटो मूव हुए, तो हमने सोचा कि इनको बुलाते हैं अपने शो पर, थोड़ी सी इनसे बातें करते हैं, थोड़ी वहाँ की भी जान पहचान देते हैं। सो लेट्स वेलकम ज़ुहैब मसूद। अस्सलाम वालेकुम।
वालेकुम।
कैसे हैं आप?
जी ठीक, आप कैसे हैं?
ठीक ठाक,
जी,
खुश
बिल्कुल।
और एक्साइटेड टू बी हियर।
Very excited. Thank you for having me.
या और मैं आई वाज ट्राइंग टू बुक हिम फॉर क्वाइट सम टाइम नाउ, और आज ये कि फाइनली टाइम मिल गया कि ये मेरे शो पर आ गए, और माशाल्लाह से काफ़ी चीज़ें इन्होंने करी हुई हैं, काफ़ी चीज़ों का एक्सपीरियंस है। कोरियोग्राफर ये रह चुके हैं और एक्टिंग करते हैं, उसके अलावा मॉडलिंग भी करी हुई है। तो ज़ुहैब, सबसे पहले तो आप मुझे ये बताएं कि आप वैंकूवर से यहाँ टोरंटो मूव हुए हुए आपको कितना टाइम हो गया?
अभी हो गए 3 साल।
3 साल हो गए, ओके।
जी।
तो वहाँ पर आपने क्या क्या किया था?
मैंने उधर मॉडलिंग किया हुआ है,
या
मैंने कोरियोग्राफिंग किया हुआ है,
Yeah.
and acting,
ओके।
and yeah.
So you were और आपने also you mentioned that you choreographed your own fashion show,
Yes.
right? So how did that go?
The way that happened was when I used to model myself.
Yeah.
After a few years,
Yeah.
just wanted to do something different in Vancouver.
Yeah. Okay.
And so I started doing my own show. I started
Yeah.
getting guys and girls together, teaching them how to walk the catwalk.
Yeah.
And from there,
I think that's a very cool idea, because most of the time जो models होते हैं उनके mind में ये नहीं आता कि we wanna be off the stage and do the choreography. उनका goal जो होता है, focus होता है, वो यही होता है कि yeah, we get more projects and we continue doing that.
Right.
But you thought of doing something different, which is nice. तो ये जो पूरी चीजें जो आपने किया, ये कैसे आपके mind में आया कि you wanna start modeling?
Since the beginning, when you hear the name model or actor, you think so highly,
Yes.
and it's a big name. It's like,
Yeah.
and I think everybody can do it, and it can be achievable if you focus and put a lot of dedication into
Yeah.
it. So, just thinking outside the box.
Yeah.
That's how I.
So you kind of thought that, I should give it a try and just see how it goes. And the good thing is that जो हमारी community है यहाँ पर, everybody gets the opportunity.
Yes.
Like if you think of back home and you
Right.
think of doing modeling or acting,
Yes.
it's very, very hard.
Right.
You have to go for many auditions. They have many requirements that you have to be a specific height, you have to have that specific weight, right? और यहाँ पर ये बहुत अच्छी बात है कि अगर आपके अंदर इस चीज़ का शौक है और पैशन है, तो आपको डेफिनेटली चांस दिया जाता है, अपॉर्चुनिटी दी जाती है, which is awesome. So you started off as a model and then you thought of doing your own fashion show.
Yes.
And
Yeah, after modeling, started doing my own fashion shows, and that went pretty well.
yeah.
And it's something giving back to the community. When you help yourself out first, and then when you perfect something, and there's always room to work on everything. And
So when you did the choreography for your own
Yes.
fashion show, so did you like being a choreographer more, or you like seeing yourself as a model on the ramp?
I think both. I think
Both?
being in a spotlight,
Yeah.
and also helping people living
Yeah.
their dreams.
Yeah,
I think it's
and
really.
I think that's a great idea to choreograph a show as well, because जब फिर आप स्टेज पे खुद जाते हो as a model, then you know exactly कि मैं यहाँ पे ये गलती नहीं कर सकता। ये कभी कोई ऐसा एक्सपीरियंस हुआ कि कोई चीज़ लास्ट मिनट में मैस अप हो गई हो and you weren't expecting it, or
Yeah.
it went smooth?
Yeah. Sometimes there'll be light issues,
Yeah.
or
But
So,
not anything serious.
Nothing too major.
Yeah, okay.
So-
Yeah, because sometimes ये होता है कि models ramp पे कोई गिर जाता है,
जी.
and then others they get confused. Like I think I feel really bad for them because they're in that situation where they don't know, like they want to help the person but they can't. Like they don't know कि एक time limit होती है, they have to keep walking. और अक्सर ये भी होता है कि you see कि एक गिर गया but they continue walking. They probably feel so bad कि they have to ignore that person on the floor. मगर क्या कर सकते हैं? They have
जी
to
होता
keep
है,
going.
but just getting right back up and going with the flow. And that's where the choreography comes into place.
Yeah.
And
Okay, so you mentioned that in BC you used to train people and teach them how to walk and stuff,
Yes.
right? तो ये वहाँ पे ये काम किया, फिर यहाँ टोरंटो आकर आपने कुछ सोचा करने को?
सोच रहे हो थोड़ा सा काम भी किया हाँ.
Yeah. So what did you do here?
There was a company here and just
Okay.
helped them out
Yeah.
with choreographing.
Okay.
And
So here you're more active in doing choreography, right? Not modeling.
choreography,
Okay.
yeah.
Yeah.
Yes.
So what about how would you rate वहाँ का काम और यहाँ का काम? Like where do you think है ज़्यादा काम कहाँ पर है?
लगता है यहाँ
यहाँ it's more.
जी,
Okay.
थोड़ा सा, yeah.
Because I know BC has a lot of population. वहाँ पे भी अच्छे
जी.
खासे लोग हैं. Their entertainment industry is quite big too.
जी.
And उनकी अच्छी खासी जो movies भी होती हैं, बहुत सारी पंजाबी movies they're
जी.
being shot in Vancouver.
That's right.
So yeah. So but you feel that यहाँ टोरंटो में ज़्यादा काम है?
To be yes, it's a
Yeah.
bigger population and there's more happening here. But there's
more-
things happening there too.
Yeah. Okay, so if you had to choose between being a model or your
Yes.
choreographer, what would you prefer? Hard
Well-
question. Tough one.
I think for right now, choreographer.
Okay.
When you are a model, there's a certain kind of physique you're going for, and
Yeah.
is needed, which is very lean and it's lean built.
Yeah.
Like I'm a bigger guy, so modeling is not really when you're not gonna see a bodybuilder or just a big guy walking on.
So जब हम बात करते हैं कोरियोग्राफी की, तो उस पे क्या-क्या challenges आते हैं? Being a choreographer, क्योंकि
अच्छा,
a lot of
yeah.
because I feel जो यहाँ के models हैं, they're
जी.
very cooperative.
जी.
Like co-op करते हैं वो लोग. They don't give you tough time. They don't give you challenges because they want work, right? So they don't have. I guess they don't really have a choice, but they're very nice anyways.
जी.
So, but if you were to talk about struggles and challenges, what would you say?
The struggles and challenges as a choreographer, it would be pretty much finding someone who's like dedicated and with the models, just time and dedication, just being there on practices and learning the routine. I think it's so important because on the day of the show, you don't want to mess up.
So, do you also have to arrange the designers, or it's somebody else's job to do that? As a choreographer, because I know you just have to
yeah.
focus more on the models, right?
Depending on the team and how big it is,
Yeah,
I mean, everybody gives their ideas, and
yeah.
so even the choreographer can help out with the designer.
Okay.
It's not just one.
Okay, so what about acting? You've done acting and you've
Yes.
also been part of few music videos,
Right.
right? So what about that? How was that experience?
It was very fun. For me, I love being on the spotlight sometimes, and then sometimes I like being away from the spotlight. But
Okay,
being as an
like behind the
actor,
camera.
but being as an actor, I think I'm in my own element where I can just have fun and be myself,
Yeah.
be silly, and yeah.
Yeah, so how was your experience doing music videos? Were you like helping out or were you in the video?
I
doing
was in the
something?
videos,
Okay,
acting,
so
yeah.
Oh, what did you have to do in the video?
Just
What was your part?
depending on the scene
Yeah.
and the
Just
situation.
like here and there, they would tell you. Okay.
Yes.
Yeah. So
Yeah.
did you enjoy being in it? I'm just trying to get more out of the music
No,
video
it was very
experience.
fun. It's not hard. I'm sorry, it's not easy. It's a lot of work and a lot of sweat.
Time
and
consuming.
dedication.
Yeah.
And
So how long does it usually take to shoot like a music video? Is it
depending
usually
on the
done in
scene,
like a
it could take
day
maybe
or-
one day, it could be a few days, it just all depends on how fast it goes and
Yeah.
how while you perfect this, the scene.
So I also heard that you worked with Ushna Shah, the Pakistani
Yes.
actress. So you did
Right.
some work with her in BC, I guess.
I did, yes.
Yeah. So what did you guys do?
So me and her, we
Yeah.
did a fashion show together where we choreographed, which we choreographed,
Okay.
and that was really fun. She's very,
That was before she became like the big Pakistani actress. In
actress.
Pakistan.
Yeah, she's very
okay.
sweet. She's very smart and very dedicated.
Yeah.
So it was very fun working with her, and yeah, that was my experience with her.
Yeah,
So
because
she's huge now.
so so उनका ये था कि मतलब like she just left from there and she started coming in Pakistani drama. So you didn't think of going as well? Because I know कि a lot of people जो यहाँ पे होते हैं उनको होता है ना कि पाकिस्तान जाकर भी थोड़ी सी
जी।
एक्टिंग करें, उनको भी थोड़ी अपॉर्चुनिटी मिले. तो कभी आपने सोचा इस बारे में? आपकी फ्रेंड तो चली गई, हिट हो गई.
जी, चली गई, छोड़ के चली गई. तो
छोड़ के चली गई और बहुत बड़ी हिट भी हो गई. तो
जी।
फिर do you have any plans or?
एक दिन, when time comes
Yeah.
and the situation comes, I'll.
Okay guys, so मेरी conversation ज़ोएब के साथ continue रहेगी. आप कहीं मत जाइएगा. We'll be back after a short break.
Are you looking to buy or sell a business? Searching for a franchise or looking for a hotel, motel, strip plaza, or gas station to buy? Our certified professional team and certified franchise consultant are ready to help you, who represent more than 400 branches in North America. Call us today at 416-300-5600 or text us your email and contact details on this number and our team will contact you. 416-300-5600.
I help clients with their legal protection, but I haven't done any estate or tax-free retirement planning for myself.
With the recent changes, I wish I could minimize taxes and plan for a tax-free retirement income.
For over 18 years, Zahid Syed of Arush Financial has been giving business owners and professionals sound advice on tax reduction, life and health insurance, and estate planning strategies.
Act now, I can help.
If you are looking for a reliable, professional, and affordable travel agency in your town, then your search is over. Global Travel and Tours is your personal travel partner. Our dedicated staff, always ready to make your trip hassle-free, memorable, and cost-effective. We will assist you with hotel reservations, the transportation, visa assistance, and travel insurance. Please give us a call right now at 1-877-275-3555.
Hello, I'm Zizi Farhan from Cityscape Real Estate. I love to help people in buying or selling their property. I've been helping buyers and sellers for a fair bit of time now. Before becoming a realtor, I was in insurance and risk management since 2005. Through my profession, I do get this opportunity to meet awesome people, and I really cherish these relationships.
Hi guys, welcome back after the break. और मैं अपनी conversation continue करूँगी ज़ोहेब के साथ. So, Zohaib, can you tell me if there was one thing you could change about the way modeling is done here? What would that be? Like, do you like the way it's being done here, or do you think there's supposed to be some changes?
Yes, I think the one thing in the community that could change is giving more to the models or the entertainers, doing much more for them. There's a lot of freelance work.
Yes.
And, there's a lot of time and dedication. I think they should be.
Definitely, because कोई fashion show होने लगता है, so I know they have to do rehearsals. उसमें उनका time लगता है, and they have to do dress rehearsals, जिसमें they try on outfits and they walk. So definitely they should get paid, because a lot of times उनको यही बोला जाता है कि you're getting promoted and you're a new face and stuff. लेकिन at least I think somebody who's done maybe 2 or 3 fashion shows, they should definitely get paid, because यही होता है कि they keep the money और उन बेचारों को जो है वो they don't get paid. Yeah, so that's one thing that you would like to change.
Yes.
Okay, so there's a lot of competition these days, and I guess there's so many people they want to become models, because before it was easier for them to get projects, but now it's harder because there's a lot of them. So they're struggling, models basically. So what do you think they can do in order to get like projects and work?
To be honest, just there's a lot of agencies out there. Do your homework, do some research, and see which one's the right for you.
Because you know the thing is that not all of them would actually find you work, because some are like scams too, right? So uske baare mein wo log kya kar sakte hain? Like how would they know that this is the right agency and they're gonna actually find this work?
Research.
Yeah.
Go there, talk to them, ask questions. And there's different kinds of modeling. There's portrait modeling.
Yeah.
And then there's runway.
Yeah.
Some areas or some cities or provinces require certain height, certain looks. So not everyone will meet the requirement, but just keep trying and work hard at it.
Also, what I've noticed is that a lot of people are trying to find work through social media, because that's a very strong platform, right? Like you can just promote yourself so easily, post your pictures, you have followers, you have viewers, and people feel like they don't really need to register themselves through agencies. So what's your take on that? Do you think that they would actually find more work if they were to doing self-promotion on social media or through agency?
It all depends. I mean, if they're just posting a picture on Facebook, I mean, they'll become a Facebook model.
Yeah, because the other day there was a joke that, you know, Instagram shuts down and you're no longer a model. Yeah, so it's, I guess they have this social media thing too. मगर उसका भी social media का भी एक बहुत बड़ा फायदा है, because social media अब बहुत ज़्यादा देखा जा रहा है. You know, if you singers हो गए, they're like singing, they're making cover songs, they're posting on YouTube, they're posting it on Facebook. इसी तरह जो models हैं, they are doing like photo shoots, they collaborate with different photographers, और वो अपना shoot करके वो post कर देते हैं, उससे भी उनको काम मिल जाता है.
Right, and you never know who's looking.
Exactly.
But I think it's, you know, taking into consideration what you're posting, and, you know, because whatever you post and whatever picture it is, people are looking at that and they're going to be looking at you. So when you post something, you kind of want to be sure that
it's something that you want people to see. Yeah. Okay, so Zohaib, what about Pakistan में आप कहाँ से हैं?
लाहौर से.
लाहौर से, okay. और पाकिस्तान से आप पहले BC आए, फिर वहाँ से आप यहाँ टोरंटो आए. तो पाकिस्तान से BC आप कब आए थे?
जब मैं 1 साल का था.
Oh my God, okay, that's why आपकी उर्दू इतनी ज़्यादा weak है. You came here when you were only 1.
Only 1.
Wow, okay.
But my mom's side, they're over there.
Okay, okay. So, Vancouver ज़्यादा अच्छा लग रहा है आपको या टोरंटो?
दोनों ठीक है.
Yeah.
दोनों अच्छे. हाँ. Toronto
I guess सबकी अपनी अपनी चीज़ है, right? Like Vancouver probably has its own things that you like, and then Toronto has. तो
उधर बारिश है और यहाँ ठंड है तो.
Yeah. और okay, so ये सारी चीज़ों के अलावा, what else do you do?
Besides all that stuff, I work in the healthcare field.
Okay. Oh my gosh, that's like totally off.
It is. I've done my degree in accounting, but you know, what I prefer is in healthcare, helping people out, and I think it's a really rewarding experience. My uncle's he's a pharmacist in the U.S. and he's doing really well.
Yeah.
And so I kind of went that path.
Yeah, and the good thing is that क्योंकि बहुत दफ़ा ये होता है कि लोग, if they want to be like actors and models, they feel then they don't pay attention to their education, and they feel like it's not necessary. But जब हम यहाँ पे रह रहे होते हैं, so this stuff is like that's on the side, right? That's like your hobby. You're not doing that like full time. You have to keep it on the side.
I think it's important to do what you do and what you love doing, and but also have Plan B.
Yeah.
So Plan A might be your acting, your modeling, and
Yeah.
And plan B might be something else, what you like doing.
Exactly. Okay, so जो बहुत सारे कोरियोग्राफर्स होते हैं जब वो फैशन शोज वगैरह करते हैं सबकी एक अपनी थीम होती है. आई हैव सीन फॉर Chanel they always do like this very unique fashion show जो बहुत सारे लोग पेरिस में they go and watch it. So there is like a specific dream theme that you have in your mind that you know कभी आपका दिल करे कि मैं जो फैशन शो करूं वो इस तरह का होना चाहिए कि उसकी लुक इस तरह की होगी, उसके मॉडल्स इस तरह के ड्रेसअप होंगे, ऐसा कुछ है आपके माइंड में? या कोई ऐसा डिज़ाइनर या कोई ऐसा प्लानर जिसके साथ आप कोलैबोरेट करना चाहें, you would say that I would want to work with this one?
At the moment, I've really just focused on the Middle Eastern wear.
Yeah.
And
they have like really nice fashion shows for
do.
even Manish Malhotra. They have like very nice ones in Pakistan for Pakistan Fashion Week. They have like
there's a designer here, Dinesh.
Yes.
And
yeah.
So I know he's doing really well out here.
He is. He has like very good designs from India. And
he does, yes.
He updates them, and then I think he does a fashion show here as well.
Yes, I've seen them.
Yeah, because even here they have like these big wedding shows where they do like fashion shows. So maybe you can collaborate with them and just tell
that
them
would be
that
nice.
you have ideas, right?
Right.
So अभी कोई फिलहाल आपके mind में कोई ऐसी theme नहीं है that you would like to do? Just you know,
maybe I've seen there was one designer, I think it was Versace, and just the way their clothing is, their style, it's different than the Eastern world.
Yes.
And so I think it's really cool and different.
So you would want to do something not Eastern, I guess.
Yes.
Western, yeah. Okay. अच्छा और कुछ अक्सर हम फैशन शोज देखते हैं उसमें कुछ बहुत ही weird किस्म की भी चीजें हो रही होती हैं. It's like there was one like they had this look give like वो mattress के type की look हो रही होती है या कोई blanket का like वो क्या है? Why is it? अगर आप एक choreographer के mind से सोचें, so what exactly and why? Is it because they're following the theme or what's happening?
I think it's just the designer's thinking and what he wants to portray and what he wants to give out in on a look.
Yeah.
So if it's a mattress or a pillow, then it's a mattress and pillow.
Yeah, because I've seen some like really funny ones too, but at the same time I've seen some very creative ones too. Or even agar aap jaise like you know you're friends with Ushna Shah, so like even Pakistan mein you can just collaborate with like wo Pakistan Fashion Week या वो जो bridal week होता है जो वो करते हैं, so उस पे भी you can even work on that.
Yeah,
right?
That would be nice.
Yeah, would be very nice. So अभी आगे आपका क्या प्लान है करने का? यहाँ टोरंटो में आप आए हुए हैं, so and as you mentioned that we have more work here, more things here. So कोई special चीज़ आपके mind में है that you would like to do?
Just you know, while I'm here, I'm just building connections, and I'm still fairly new, and just there are a couple.
You're still like meeting people and
meeting
you're still
people.
networking, yeah.
Correct. I've met a few people here. There's a guy, his name is Yash Kapala.
Okay.
And he does a lot of events here for dancing.
Yeah.
So met him. There's another guy named Nisraj.
Yeah.
And Jay.
Because I know that like how you used to work in BC and you guys used to train like guys and girls and just teach them how to walk. I think अगर इस तरह का कुछ यहाँ पे करते हैं तो that would be nice because अभी तक किसी ने ये किया नहीं है, and that would actually help them. That would
learn. For sure. I mean, I would love to. So
so
whoever's interested will.
Yeah, definitely. So collaborate with more people, network with more people, and hopefully you come up with something interesting like you were doing.
Or maybe
in
you
BC.
can as well. We both can.
Yeah, definitely. Why not? So before I let you go, is there a message you would like to give our viewers today? Anything you would like to say?
Don't give up. Whatever you love doing, just keep doing it. Sometimes it takes time.
Yeah.
But just don't worry and you'll get there.
All right, thank you so much, Zohaib, for being part of Spotlight. I had a lot of fun talking to you and getting to know a choreographer, how they think and what they have there in minds. So guys, मैं जा रही हूँ. I'm gonna see you guys next week, Wednesday, same time. Take care and Allah Hafiz.
Injuries not only impact you, but also people around you. Life is better than this. Let's get your life back. The injury lawyers at Alam Law will use their years of experience to handle your claim so that you can focus on your recovery. And remember, you don't pay until we win. Alam Law.
Shahid Khwaja sold one home every 24 hours, over $1 billion in real estate sales. Shahid offers free home staging, unparalleled marketing, and 24 hours exposure until sold.
In today's market, to get the right value of your home, you need an experienced realtor.
Call today Shahid Khwaja, 416-662-3000 or www.shahid.ca.
Dixie Electronics and Appliances is your #1 destination for electronics and appliances. Choose from TVs and home audio that will entertain your whole family, to home comfort essentials for your living space, and a wide selection of appliances to build your perfect kitchen. From selection to delivery, Dixie Electronics is everything you need. Price match guarantee and 0% financing available, all under one roof. Come today at 5120 Dixie Road, Mississauga, or visit the website at dixieelectronics.ca.
Are you planning on buying, selling, or investing in real estate and looking for a reliable real estate broker? Then look no further. Call Noma today. List your home and start packing. Honest, reliable, and a top negotiator. Give your attention to Noma. Over 10 years of Canadian real estate market experience. Invest in new construction projects with day one price. Call Noma Bobber today at 647-962-0007.
अगर आपका कोई भी कार एक्सीडेंट होता है तो आपको एक बेहतरीन लॉयर की ज़रूरत होती है और हमारे साथ मौजूद हैं चैंपियन डेविड हिमोफार्ब.
Hi, I'm David Himmelfarb, managing partner of Himmelfarb Brzezinski LLP. We are personal injury lawyers in Toronto, Brampton, all over the GTA. And we speak your language. We have a wonderful community liaison, Anjum Qureshi.
आपका कोई भी कार एक्सीडेंट होता है हमें कॉल करें 416-570-0157.